Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's time again for our Scripture Stamp Club reveal. And I am in love with this set. I have to tell you, this comes from my pastor recently did a series on courage and strength. And I was like, we need a stamp set to remind people to take courage in God and the Lord and what He can do for you and how He can bring you through situations. And that's exactly what this is. Now, if you're not a member of our stamp club, what you waiting on? Check out the description below for the information. But basically, you join our stamp club, you get a new, never before seen stamp every month in the mail. We have two options. We have our original club, which ships on the 6th of the month, and we have our second club, which is our Scripture Club, and it ships on the 21st of the month. Now, you don't have to be a club member to purchase this set. This is a new release we also offer in our store, but as a club member, you get it at a discounted price, and you also get a coupon to use on future purchases in our store. All right, so all that information is below. Here we go. Are you ready? This one is so good. I cannot wait for you to see it. Look at this. This one is called Strong and Courageous. I love this so much. You see this adorable lion, and look how big he is. I wanted you to use him as a focal point all over the place. I just think he is so cute, and the coloring possibilities are endless. He's even big enough to paper piece. He's such a good size. And then we have this, what is this called? A dumbbell? No, it's a weight bar. I don't know. What is it called? Can you tell I don't work out? So we have this guy, which I would call dumbbells, but it's the bigger one. It's the weightlifting bar. You know what I'm talking about. And I love what Sylvia did. She did it on this curve, and all these words can work with it. I'll show you how I set it up. Also, and I always fail to tell you guys this. I want to make sure I tell you. On the product page for this stamp set, Sylvia does sample sheets for you guys. So she has little pieces that she has created to show you how the stamps line up together. So be sure to check that out. That's on the product page, just in the photos of this stamp set. You can see them there. So let's look at the scriptures. I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Rise up and take courage and do it. Love that one. Be strong and of good courage, for the Lord is with you. Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and He shall strengthen thine heart. Then the words we have down here, you see we have strong, strength, and courage. Then we have, I don't know how to read them to you. Let's see, like gain strength from the Lord, gain strength in the Lord. How about have courage? Be strong. There's all different ways to mix it up. And again, check out those sample sheets to see exactly how to do it. But let me show you our samples. Also, there's the word Lord. Love it. Let me show you. All right, this is Shannon's. I think it is so cute. Look at this. She kind of went with the little boy theme. She used that it's a boy paper pack to do this, and it says courage on the front, and when you open it up, I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Isn't that cute? I love how that turned out. Look at her coloring. She used color pencils, and she made that happen. He is adorable. Okay, so you're only going to get 2 samples this week, but the reason is because I made a mechanism card and it took me longer to do. So let me show you. This is my card with the little line on the front, and it says, be strong and of good courage, for the Lord is with you. And when you pull this tab, it lifts up, and inside it says, rise up, take courage, and do it. I think that is so cute. I think it'd be cute if you gave this to somebody and they could put it on their desk so they could look at it, just have it sit there all the time. I also want to show you on the back, I used that, gain strength from the Lord. I love how that looks together when you put those curvy words together. I just love it, and I think that turned out super cute. I love this little pull guy. He is so cute. Also, by the way, if you want to see a video on how to do this pull mechanism card, I already have that video. I will link it in the description below. I literally went to my video this morning, opened the blog post, got the measurements, and created it from that video. So we've already got that one made for you, so you can see how that goes. There's our little cards from our stamp set. Strong and courageous. You guys pick this one up. You're going to be able to use this one for a lot. Not just for these sentiments, but imagine what you can do with that lion. You can put him all over the place. And even this little guy, I think it'd be super cute with other themes and other cards. Don't forget, if you make a project with this stamp set and you post that picture to our customer gallery, we enter you into a drawing to win a $50 gift card to our store. We do that every month, every time we release a new set. So you can see if you were the winner from last month. You'll be in the top line of the description below. Thank you guys so much for being a part of our club. I hope you love this one as much as I do. I can't get enough of him. He's just my favorite. All right, guys, till next time. Bye now.